My name is Caterina. I'm Italian. At college, I study history, music, language and literature, which I really like. I'm Italian, and yeah, I'm here just for 3 months, but I'm really enjoying it. In Italy, I contacted an agency to come here, and they suggested me to come to East Sussex and especially to this college because they have a really great, I don't know how to explain it, like a community of exchange students, and teachers are really, really kind with us. They understand everything. So yeah, I really love them. They're really, really kind. They understand everything that we do, especially because we have different cultures. I mean, I'm Italian, so Italy and England are pretty similar, but having a Chinese sister, they have a really different culture. But I see that our host parents treat us very well, and they understand everything that maybe it's not well with us, or yeah, they're absolutely amazing. I couldn't ask for anything better, really. I really enjoy every time that Davina cooks us British food and talks about British traditions, and yeah, for Halloween we're having a party here and I can't wait for it, and a girly night, as she said before. Yeah, there's a really, really good team that supports us if you feel bad about something. For example, I didn't find myself really good at the beginning because I was studying a subject that I didn't like, but I just talked to them and they just understood what I was saying and helped me. And yeah, I really felt like a second home in the school.